I had built a brick cold frame to protect the asparagus seedlings in the seating area. Also, over the winter, other bits and pieces had been placed in the seating area till there was no place left for the chairs, so I had to clear this up. Right, I've moved the asparagus into that cage and they'll sit there till the spring, so this structure wasn't necessary anymore, the structure that was here. So I've just put the bricks in the front of the liquid fertilizer barrels. I've sorted out a few good ones which I'll use for rebuilding the back there. Well, you can't see it, but that bit of wall and a little bit behind it that need fixing, so I'll use some of the good ones for that, and the rest of it, well, I use them around the place, but they're there out of the way and I can walk up to the barrels and put stuff in them. Now I've got to move this lot out of the way. I've got a bit of a mound of wood chips and I'll level it out and I'll have my seating area back. Right, I've moved all the little bits and pieces out of the way. The two bins that have got horseradish in them, I've got to harvest it soon, but I'm not going to do anything with these just yet. Next year they'll be moved to the other end of the allotment, put into something so they can't root through the bottom, like drainage holes. So I've got a little bit here and I can get some more and level this off, and then I've got my seating area back. It's been there so long, it's sort of all matted together. So that's fine, doesn't matter. Right, it doesn't have to be perfect and it'll level off eventually, settle down, and I'll add some more later. Okay. Not perfectly level. I'm going to bring some more wood chips, I'll level this bit. But for now, that will do. So this is done. Cleared this area. I can get to the barrels without tripping over things, and the bricks aren't in the way really, and they'll be used, so they'll go. This isn't perfectly level, but I'll bring some more wood chips in, but I'm on light duties because I pulled a muscle in my shoulder, so I'm not doing anything like bringing in wheelbarrows load of wood chips or any heavy lifting, so that will have to wait for another day. But it's a lot better than it was, that when I walk in I'm not looking at a load of rubbish. I can come in and see it a little bit tidier, not tidy but a little bit tidier, and there's a lot of if I close in, you can see there's a lot of white stuff in there, and that is all the mycelia and fungi breaking the wood chips down. So in a couple of years this will all be like compost that I can put back on the beds.